Welcome to our graduation ceremony 2024. To our first honorable mention, Bachelor of Science in 1 week, no palit-palit, Hanford. To our cum laude, Bachelor of Science in 2 weeks, no palit-palit, Luz Garter, Walker. To our magna cum laude, Bachelor of Science in 1 month, major in Side A, Side B, Luz Garter, no palit-palit, George. And last but not the least, our summa cum laude, Bachelor of Science in 2 months, major in Side A, Side B, Luz Garter, no palit-palit, with punit-punit, volunteer.